Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, remote start, leather seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2014 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, front wheel drive, headlights auto off, mirror memory. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.